Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I want to find the value of this expression. Here we have 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it correctly? Most people, when solving this math expression, first go for this division between 6 and 6, right instead of this expression 1. Then they go for this division between 6 and 6, right instead of this expression 1. Finally, they go for this division between 1 and 1. And right instead of this expression 1, but this answer is not correct. Because according to the order operations, we know that when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. So we have to start with this division in left side. 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. Then 1 divided by 6 equals 1 over 6. And finally, we have 1 over 6 divided by 6. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep first fraction, C stands for change division to multiplication, and F stands for flip the next fraction. So, according to this rule, keep first fraction 1 over 6, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 6 over 1 changes to 1 over 6. Now we have two fractions. 1 over 6 times 1 over 6. 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 6 times 6 gives us 36. So our final answer to the question is 1 over 36. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.